In viticulture, the only way students can really learn what it's about is to be able to get their hands dirty, like literally get their hands dirty by picking the grapes, by pruning the grapes, processing the grapes into raisins, do packaging for table grapes. It is a place where students can actually make the mistakes so that they can learn. The Petrucci vine that is right around 40 years old, that's right in the front of our building, is really named after Professor Vincent E. Petrucci, who's the father of our department. And that vine is really one of the showpieces that was planted by him back in the day. He meant so much to this program. That is one of the reasons why we always take the students out there, the very first class, to go harvest that vine, that they get to know the history and also have that connection with Professor Petrucci, who was here physically planting that vine, taking care of it, and leaving that legacy for us in the department. We are in the middle of the valley, the San Joaquin Valley, where these table grapes and raisins are very, very prominent. So the raisin industry is literally in the 40-mile radius around us here in Fresno. So we are absolutely uniquely located in the middle of the table grape and raisin industries to be able to teach this to students. Another part of the class that helps with hands-on learning is the fact that we have a raisin processing unit on campus right here in the Viticulture Enology department. We're the only campus in the United States, basically, that's got this kind of processing facility. So students are able to physically work in the processing unit, packaging the raisins for the Gibson farm market. That helps them understand the process from beginning to end. Having that process in place from start to finish gives the students a complete picture of what's going on, and they make sure that what we can do here also goes hand in hand with what we see in the industry. We introduce our students to the industry, and that is how they get internships and a full-time job once they graduate.